Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. We're going to get to a little bass fishing today, predominantly just bass fishing. Maybe a little loud. It's super windy today. Hopefully that doesn't mess with the audio much. We're just going to, like I said, we're going to do a little bottom, a little mid, top fishing for some bass. Pretty much going to use power bait, a little bit of, what's this? Power worm and a little pit boss, both Berkley power baits. Nothing too crazy. See if we can get into these fish. Please like, subscribe, follow, stay tuned, and come on, let's get into these fish now. Alright, if you've watched one of my older videos, you may notice that we've been here before. It's super windy, like I said on this. You may notice that we've been here before. It's super windy, like I said on this from the get-go. Hopefully we can get into something while not getting stabbed by anything or bit, stung, snagged. Definitely just trying to get some fish today, and you can see some bluegill moving around down below. So let's go ahead. Seeing as I've seen some bluegill, let's go ahead and cast this out there with a little trailer. See what we can get. Get a few seconds to drop. And we're on. Oh, just like that. Oh, look at that. Right off the jump. Oh, we'll let her go back. Get on back there. Like I said, right off the back, folks. Let's move down. Maybe we can mimic that again. I ain't got much clearance over here, so I'm trying to that probably stirred everything up right there, to be honest with you. That was a nice one. I hate to lose it right off the jump, but hey, sometimes that's just how it happens. It's an older lure. I've had it for a while. It's been a good trusty lure for me. See if we can get a little action like that again. See if it didn't scare everything on out of here. Which I'm thinking it probably did, but it's alright. We'll let it happen. Woo, talk about first cast. Ain't nothing like that first cast getting a bite. Get this out there one more time. See that snake? I ain't worried about that snake. Not in the slightest. But I am worried about that right there. Oh, he took it on the descent. Looky there, folks. Looky there. Nice little juvenile bass. Looks like he's been caught once before. Gotta let him drop right on in there. Just to see if anything is hitting. Because I knew that was going to happen. Anything is on this side. There we go. He swiped at it and missed it. Sorry, little fella. Oh, nice little maybe Cadillac bass. How much is under there? Well, folks, I'm gonna tend to that. Like I said, if you like these videos, please share, like, subscribe. I love the fact that you watch them. I love the fact that you like and subscribe. But hey, let's get at this. Let's do a little fishing while we're all quarantined down. I know they say not to go out in public, but at the same time, if you're by yourself, you're technically isolated. And look, there's no one around me. There was someone earlier. But hey, like, share, subscribe. Please follow. Thank you.